Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Ina, and today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my everyday skincare routine. As you guys can see, my skin is looking nice and fleeky, so I am going to be sharing with you guys exactly what I use in order to get my radiant skin. So I use the Duvolle Radiant Skincare System. This skincare system has 4 interchangeable accessories: the facial exfoliation brush, the large body cleansing brush, the facial cleansing brush, and the pumice stone. So those are the 4 interchangeable accessories that come with the brush. Now, the first thing that I do is cleanse my face, and these 2 cleansers are from Clean & Clear. I am going to be using the lemon gel cleanser. I use the foaming facial cleanser more so in the evening, but I alternate between the 2 regardless. Now, this lemon gel cleanser I love. It's amazing. It has vitamin C, it's oil free, and it brightens skin tone. Now, the fine brush bristles gently removes the dead skin and unclogs your pores to reveal your radiant, fresh, and clean skin hiding underneath. So I love doing this just so that it removes all that gunk from the night before or from the day, all that oil that builds up. Definitely like to remove that. So next I am gonna go and move on to exfoliating. So I changed the brush to the facial exfoliation brush, and then I'm going to be using the St. Ives Acne Control Apricot Scrub to exfoliate my face. Now for this product, I literally just put 1 pump of it onto my hand and I massage it thoroughly onto my face, and then you guys are going to see me use my exfoliation brush to further exfoliate my skin. So with the exfoliation, it helps improve the skin's appearance while elevating its ability to absorb the skincare treatments post-wash. So you don't necessarily need to only exfoliate your face. You can use this exfoliation brush anywhere else that needs exfoliating, such as your feminine areas, your underarms, anywhere, your elbows, your knees, anywhere that needs to be exfoliated that we neglect. So in this video, you guys are only going to see me use 2 of the interchangeable brushes, but the large body cleansing brush and the pumice stone I use mostly in the shower. The pumice stone attachment is incredible. It softens the rough skin on your feet, your elbows, and heels. It removes calluses and dead skin. It's amazing. The large body cleansing brush, I use that cleanser under my arm. I use the brush, not cleanser, but I use the brush to cleanse under my arms to remove the darkness and to literally brighten under my arms because those areas can get a bit dark. Alright y'all, so back to the face. The next product that I am using is a new product that I'm trying out. It's called the Frank Body Glow Mask. I use it 2 or 3 times before this video, and I like it really much. It supports bouncy skin. So I just took a thick layer and applied it onto my face and left it on for 10 minutes. I think this is the product that actually heated on my face. It was actually getting a little on the warm side. It was a little bit uncomfortable, but you know, I got used to it. So I am drying my face with a clean piece of paper towel just to eliminate any type of bacteria. And then I am going to move on to moisturizing. Alright, so before moisturizing my face, I like to use a serum. I'm using the Farasali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. I'm just going to put 3 drops of it on my face, 2 under my eyes and on my forehead, and I'm just going to massage that onto my skin. This is actually my second or 3rd time trying this, and it actually makes my skin look really, really nice and radiant after using it. It says on the back to use it in the morning and in the evening. So I use this twice a day, and so far not so bad. So on to moisturizers. I use 3 different moisturizers, and I use the the Grown Alchemist, the oil-free moisturizer from Neutrogena, and then I use Glam Glow. So the first one that I'm using is the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. This moisturizer I love, especially in the summer, because it carries sunscreen, SPF 15. So this is a really good product for the summertime to avoid any type of skin damage from the sun. And then I use my Glam Glow. This Glam Glow is the Moisture Trip. It's the Omega Rich Moisturizer. This product I love. It's like I have a hate and love relationship with this one because it actually makes me sweat. It makes me really hot, but I still love it. And then lastly, I use the Grown Alchemist. Now this is a new product that I started using, and it's a matte balancing moisturizer. Now I mainly like to use this moisturizer when I'm about to wear makeup because I use a lot of products that supports glowy skin, and I don't like to look oily because I do have oily skin. So I don't need to look as oily when I'm wearing makeup. So I like to apply this so that it eliminates that oiliness. It gives me that nice glow, but then I don't look, you know, too oily. So last but not least, I am just using some plain old Vaseline to moisturize my lips. You cannot forget those lips. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this video. I will have a coupon code down below for you guys who are interested in purchasing the spin brush system. It's absolutely amazing. Listen, we in 2020. There's no more washcloths. Please, no more washcloths. Get yourself a spin care system so you can get this radiant skin. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.